Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in today. What happens when the world's most powerful tech exchange meets the world's most scalable distributed ledger? You get the new Nasdaq Gateway. But before Kraken goes public, they need the wind tunnel results to prove Holochain can handle the weight of global equity. We're talking about 3 million transactions per second on a peer-to-peer highway. But speed is nothing without certainty. That's where UNYT changes the game. By utilizing atomic trade, UNYT ensures that every transaction is all or nothing, eliminating counterparty risk and delivering instant finality. While the legacy New York Stock Exchange is stuck in the past, UNYT is building the rails for a 24/7 market. This IPO freeze isn't a setback. It's Kraken buying time to ensure the UNYT engine is bulletproof before it becomes the heartbeat of the new Nasdaq. The Nasdaq and Kraken partnership. In March 2026, Nasdaq and Kraken announced a landmark collaboration to launch a regulated 24/7 tokenized stock trading platform. Tokenized equity. This allows investors to trade shares of public companies, like Apple or Nvidia, as digital tokens. Unlike previous synthetic stock efforts, these are legally and structurally equivalent to traditional shares, carrying the same CUSIP identifiers and conferring full voting and dividend rights. The partnership aims to move away from the traditional T+1, meaning 1 business day, or T+2, 2 business days, cycles, and towards UNYT's near instant that happens the millisecond the trade is signed. The Holochain wind tunnel is a high-stakes performance testing engine designed to stress test the network's fluid dynamics under extreme, real-world conditions. Unlike traditional simulations, it uses a massive array of community-run nodes to measure gossip latency, DHT consistency, and network resilience, essentially pushing the framework to its breaking point to find the turbulence in data propagation. The framework currently runs 23 distinct performance scenarios that cover everything from app installation and Zoom calls to DHT synchronization and validation receipts. Kraken developers are reportedly keeping a close watch on these results because their X Stocks initiative and the Nasdaq 2027 Gateway depend on this infrastructure. Who is UNYT? While Holochain is the engine, UNYT is the accounting system built on top of it. It's a subsidiary of the Holochain ecosystem designed specifically for finance and DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure. Universal settlement. UNYT allows different projects like Kraken or a local power grid to create their own currencies or units of value that can all talk to each other. Smart agreements. Unlike smart contracts, which are hard-coded and expensive to run, UNYT uses RAVE, Record of Agreement, verifiably executed. These are flexible, peer-to-peer rules that don't require gas. While traditional blockchains struggle with the bottleneck, where every transaction must wait in the same single line, UNYT and Holochain use a parallel processing model. No global bottleneck. Because there is no global ledger to update, there is no limit to how many transactions can happen at once. If 1 million people make trades at the exact same time, they all happen on their own private lanes simultaneously. Linear growth. On a blockchain, more users usually mean more congestion and higher fees. On Holochain, more users mean more power. Every new person who joins the network adds their own computing and storage to the pool, making the high-speed highway wider as it grows. DePIN ready. This is why Kraken is watching the wind tunnel results. For a decentralized physical infrastructure, you need to handle millions of microtransactions per second. UNYT is built to scale to these industrial levels without ever needing a layer 2 or a sidechain. The secret weapon. The atomic trade. In a traditional blockchain, a trade involves sending a token to a pool and waiting for a block to confirm. UNYT's atomic trade is a signed handshake between two people. The trade is atomic, meaning it either happens 100% or 0%. There is no in-between where one person gets the money and the other gets nothing. No middleman. You don't need a liquidity pool like Uniswap or an escrow agent. The technology is the escrow. Instant finality. Because it only requires the two people involved to sign the agreement, which is then verified by a small neighborhood of peers. It happens at the speed of the internet. Thank you for tuning in today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Holochain news. Until next time, Lithium X.